pandemic has had both its own direct impact and has been a crisis that has highlighted injustices and inequities that have always existed.
Environmental racism entails that certain racial groups are disproportionately targeted by policies that disadvantage them through polluted air, water, and land.
Multiple studies have shown that these BIPOC communities are exposed to higher levels of particulate matter, dangerous aromatic chemicals like lead and benzene, and other forms of pollution.
It could be factories, manufacturing facilities, highways, other land uses that are co-located in close proximity to neighborhoods that are predominantly low income or made up of people of color. Low-income communities of color are disproportionately exposed to environmental hazards. There's a big disparity in the quality of the houses that people live in. So they could be more exposed to indoor air pollutants and indoor hazards from lead paint in older homes. There could be also asthma triggers in homes and other sorts of environmental exposures.
COVID-19's true impact can only be understood in the context of environmental inequality, namely air quality and air pollution.
The COVID-19 infection rates and death rates go up in areas with high air pollution.
Air pollution by humans, including nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and fine particulate matter, have been linked to a greater likelihood to die from coronavirus.
According to a recent study conducted by the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health, there is an 8% increase in mortality from COVID-19 infection for every 1 microgram per cubic meter of air pollution.
As it stands today, air pollution is the cause for 1 in every 6 deaths worldwide. In the 1970s and 80s, the term environmental justice came out of the majority black town of Afton, North Carolina, when residents fought against the state putting a toxic landfill in their community.
Environmental justice encompasses both socioeconomic and geographical disadvantages. It primarily shows itself through racist practices that target Black and Brown communities.
Not cutting people's electricity off, not cutting off their water in the middle of the pandemic, and found that those are sometimes even more important than the mask restrictions and the stay-at-home orders.